In today's video, we're taking the Hellcat swapped Dodge Dakota. Yes, Hellcat swapped for a little rip. Let's get. All right, guys, welcome back to today's video. So I feel like I have to keep reintroducing this truck because every time I turn around, there's a bunch more subscribers joining the channel. So this is our Hellcat swapped Dodge Dakota. We fully swapped it, interior, full electrical, all that stuff. Put a Hellcat style hood on it, the works. I'll pop the hood in just a second. But we're in the process of moving. I have some good news for you guys coming pretty soon. If you guys do or don't know, the reason why we're in a storage unit is because we were moving and it took a long time, a lot longer than I had initially anticipated, to find a bigger place so we could continue with all these crazy projects we got going on. And the wait has paid off because we should be good to go. So got the green light go ahead, so everything should be good, and I'm gonna start moving this stuff into the new place. But in that process, I have to move all my stuff. Right now, my race trailer is full of my stuff, my home belongings. So I have to make one run first, and then I'll be able to start bringing the vehicles. But since I'm here at storage over here in Texas, new place is gonna be in Florida. Let's go for a little rip. I want to spend the day just kind of a little bit of stress relief. You guys saw the last video. This place recently got nailed by a tornado, and luckily our stuff was okay. But it's been a stressful, a long while. Let me say that. Like at least the last few weeks. Even just like, I swear, it just keeps piling on. Like if it's not the tornado, it's me trying to like, get a new place to live, and it just keeps piling up. But everything looks like it's going in a positive direction. Let's go ahead, start this thing up. And again, if you are new to the channel, full Hellcat swapped, like I mentioned, all interior, full interior. So let's go ahead and start this puppy up. Okay, so you guys already know where we are. If you watched the last video, this thing gets so dirty in that storage. So we're just at the car wash and we'll rinse her off. Everyone always thinks the paint is mint on this, but I'm telling you, he needs a paint job. So don't worry about the car wash here. But even still, I'm probably just gonna rinse it off. She looks good enough for the people I hang out with, if you know what I mean. But you guys see, she's got the Viper Brembo 4 piston calipers in the front. We got the 15-inch conversion discs in the rear, so we can run some sticky Mickeys. And that's what she looks like. Let me pop the hood in case you guys haven't seen it. Oh, that is a fart can and a half. So here's what she looks like underneath. Woo! Got a little bit of drippage. So as factory as can be. Got the charger fuse box, all charger wiring. Charger this, charger that. A little bit of charger that. A lot of bit of charger that. Anyways, let's get ripping. I'm sure you guys want to see this thing in action. All right, so here we are ripping along with our lovely Speedo. Everyone seems to want to comment about that. Yes, I know. I know. Do you think that I built this whole truck and didn't know that the Speedo was doing that? All right. With that aside, one of the cooler parts about this is being able to switch between the different modes. So right now, when you just like start it up, it'll always be in auto. But if you put it into sport or track, the paddle shifters on this thing do in fact work. But what I think is the coolest thing is like the downshifting. So if I just like downshift right now with it in auto, it's gonna be pretty lame. It doesn't really like sound cool. So you can see like what I mean, like you can downshift with the paddles. But check this out. So let's just put it back in full drive. If I go to sport, this thing sounds so different when you downshift, like watch. blips it, sounds so much more aggressive. And the shifting is a lot like more aggressive, which is cool, but just the downshift like sounds so good. So good. But yeah, and then if I put it in track, I'm pretty sure the blips sound pretty similar when you downshift. Yeah, it's pretty similar. So good. Sweet supercharger sounds. Do it again. Code brown. You're gonna be a little stain in his pants after that. Yeah, for sure. Well, this is it at nighttime. You got the nice illuminated SRT wheel. Not a bad view, boys. Ended up hanging out with the boys tonight, so didn't get a ton more footage for you guys, but I am headed back and it's super late and I gotta get back on the road tomorrow. Alright boys, well it's late here. It's like 1 in the morning. I'm about to get some rest so I can get up and get back on the road. A little bit different style video for you guys. I wanted to kind of just give you guys some in-vehicle, I guess, experience. Let me know if you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Check out this full build on this channel if you've never seen this truck before. And we'll see you guys on the next video.